A nourishing smoothie for your hydrangeas. Your garden will be bursting with blooms. Everything you need is already at home and usually ends up in the trash. The first ingredient, peels from 2 bananas. Though often thrown away, they're packed with valuable minerals. A true natural elixir, they contain everything your flowers need to grow lush and healthy. They boost blooming and strengthen plant resistance. Chop them up and toss them into a blender. Next, add a few eggshells. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, they support root development and help build strong stems. Now it's time for dry used coffee grounds, a real treasure for plants. They're full of nitrogen, which encourages leaf growth and improves soil structure by enhancing drainage and moisture retention. Add 3 tablespoons to the blender. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of water to create a smooth, pourable fertilizer. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. You'll get a natural, eco-friendly liquid feed. Store it in a tightly sealed container and water your hydrangeas once a week. They'll reward you with lush blooms. It's like a home spa for your garden, and you'll notice the difference fast.